Hi! In this video I am going to show you how I pick up yarn floats when I work with 3 colors. So I have my 3 colors here. This is how I hold them in my hand, and they come out like this. I usually have the background color closest to me and the pattern colors on the places farther away from me, but always in the same place to keep the pattern even. If the colors change places, the stitches will appear either bigger or smaller, and if the same color stitch has different sizes, the pattern might look a little uneven. So anyway, I am going to show you what I do when I pick up long yarn floats when working with 3 colors. So now I'm going to start by knitting 1 stitch with the darker green, and if I knit it like this, you can see here that this other yarn will hang loose on the wrong side. I want to attach it here, and to do that instead of just picking it up like this, I go underneath the other green to pick it up. And now you can see I have twisted the 2 yarns so that both colors are sort of attached to the wrong side, and there are no loops or long threads here to get your finger into, for instance, when you put on your knitted sweater. And now I am going to pick up the lighter green. Normally when I knit I would pick it up like this, but I want to attach the darker green, and to attach the color that is the farthest away, I pick up my stitch and I go around both greens, pick up the lighter one, and I go back over the dark one and I knit. And here you can see I have twisted the 2 green yarns, and I can continue. So that's it really. When I pick up the green one and want to pick up the dark green one and I want to attach the lighter one, go underneath, pick up the colored farthest away. And when I want to do the opposite, I go around both colors, pick up the one in the middle and knit like this. So no long yarn floats on the wrong side. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching.